Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. If you had all the money in the world to do what you wanted, how would your life look like? Some people would love to get a huge mansion, while others may decide to purchase exotic cars. Many people would even prefer to pursue their dream careers or do an elaborate wedding. Money may not be the reason behind happiness, but it sure is important for human living. Every beautiful thing that you've always dreamed about is only achievable with money. Imagine having all that money you would ever need. Achieving financial freedom is a goal for many people. It generally means having enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle we want for ourselves and our families, and a growing nest egg that will allow us to retire or pursue the career we want without being driven by earning a certain amount each year. Unfortunately, too many of us fail to achieve it. We are burdened with increasing debt, financial emergencies, profligate spending, and other issues that thwart us from reaching our goals. And we encounter unexpected events such as the pandemic that overturn our plans and reveal holes in the safety nets we've tried to weave for ourselves and our families. It can sound like a nice theory, but the truth is, it's possible for anyone to achieve. And I mean anyone. Even someone who once had tens of thousands in student loan debt like yours truly. No matter what financial troubles you have today, there's always a way to get back to black. In this article, we'll dive into the importance of financial freedom and share some financial freedom tips. You're surely going to enjoy a lot of luxury when you can spend freely without worrying about bankruptcy or debt. Today, we're going to be talking about 5 steps that will make you financially free. Make sure you stay till number 1, as you don't want to miss any step. Number 5, understand your present financial position. You can't achieve financial freedom without knowing your starting point. Looking at how much debt you have, how much savings you don't have, and how much money you need can be a depressing reality. But this is a valuable step in the right direction. Compile a list of all your debts: mortgage, student loans, car loan, credit cards, and any other debt you may have accumulated. Don't forget to include any money you may have borrowed from friends or family members over the years. Now, take a deep breath. And another one. Then add up all the numbers. How much debt do you have? If it's a big number, don't freak out. The tips in this video will teach you financial freedom and how to eliminate that debt. Next, take a look at all the money you have saved up. Compile a list of all your savings accounts, stocks, company stock matching programs, company retirement matching programs, and retirement plans. Then we'll add the recurring monthly payments you receive, such as salary, side hustle money, and so on. Keep these numbers in mind as we work through the next few financial freedom tips. Number 4, look at money positively. Debt can definitely be a little bit discouraging, but remember that money is a good thing, even if it seems to carry a lot of burdens right now. You deserve to achieve financial freedom. People who don't make a lot of money often feel shame when it comes to making money. And so the biggest obstacle that many people experience when it comes to making money is that they feel like having money is bad. Many feel guilty for having it and guiltier for wanting it. But we shouldn't feel this way about money. Money is simply a necessity, like food or water. It helps you buy the things you need and live the life you want. To experience financial freedom, you're going to need to look at money as a tool to help you achieve your dreams, fuel your energy, and live a stress-free life you can enjoy. Because if you view money negatively, you'll subconsciously sabotage your chances of making it and keeping it. Number 3, spend your money on experiences, not items. Life's short. It's not about hoarding all your cash until you're 65. You're allowed to enjoy life while you're alive. Ultimately, the things that help you live a more fulfilled life will be the experiences you have, not the products you own. What's your happiest memory? What were you doing? Who were you with? Let's create more memories just like that. You've always dreamed of traveling to Rome. You've been saving up money for a year to experience your dream vacation. Go on that vacation feeling guilt-free. You didn't go into debt for it, you've earned it. Or you can become a digital nomad and travel the world while working abroad. Life is made up of moments. The best ones come from quality time spent with family and friends. While some products can help bring you closer to your family, like weekly family video game night, most of them don't add much value. Don't spend money you don't have to pretend that you have money. Number 2, pay yourself first. You've probably heard the expression, pay yourself first before. But in case you haven't, pay yourself first means putting a specific amount of money in your savings account before paying anything else, such as bills. And the act of paying yourself first has helped countless people inch closer to achieving financial freedom. Why should you do this? Because if you want to pay yourself $1,000 per pay period first, then whatever's left over needs to go towards bills. And if you don't have enough to cover those bills, then you're forced to pick up a side income to make up the costs. By paying yourself first, you guarantee that you're always putting money aside to invest in yourself. By doing the opposite, you only get whatever is left over, which usually isn't substantial enough to help you experience financial freedom. You can pay yourself first in other ways too. For example, if your company has a retirement savings program, you can ask to have money withdrawn for your retirement. That way, you're investing in yourself and your future first. The money gets deducted from your pay, so everything that's left over is money you can put aside for your bills and expenses. Number 1, create additional sources of income. If you're serious about financial freedom, you've got to sacrifice some blood, sweat, and tears. Your 9-to-5 might not cut it. If that's the case, you need to step it up and look for money outside your current job. Some experts recommend having 7 streams of income. If you have a 9-to-5 job, congratulations, you have 1. Only 6 more to go. Now, you can look at your sources of income in 2 ways: active income, trading time for money, or passive income, money that keeps coming in even while you sleep. If you trade your time for money, you're limited by the hours of the day. Here are a few side jobs you can do to earn active income. Become a freelance writer finding jobs on ProBlogger. Help a business owner as a virtual assistant with jobs on Upwork. Become an Uber driver, etc. If you don't have a lot of time to devote to earning income, you can focus on increasing your income streams with passive income, like starting a dropshipping online store on Oberlo, start your own custom clothing business on Shopify, invest in stocks, etc. Fortunately, your 7 streams of income can all come from the same source. For example, if you're an e-commerce expert, your 7 streams of income can come from creating 7 different stores. And remember, you don't need to start with 7 streams. You can build up to it over time. As we conclude, why do you need money? Do you want to get rid of debt for good? Are you desperate to escape the 9-to-5 grind? Is there a place you've always wanted to travel to? Do you need to save for a wedding, kids, or retirement? If you want to achieve financial freedom, it's going to be easier when you tie it to an emotional goal. You're advised to write down any reason why you feel that you need money. Don't leave anything out. If you're interested in more detail, you can break down these goals into mini goals that help you achieve the main goal. You might not accomplish everything you want in a month, but a year is a long time to make progress on your goals. Make sure your goal is tied to a specific number that you want to hit. Believe it or not, you'll start working towards those goals without even realizing it. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve makes achieving financial freedom a million times easier. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!